Trying to see what my Pontiac can do. My first time putting it on the road. 60. Alright. I got me another little trusty in the trucks as square bodies. So it sounds good. Slickies. Thing with this. Yeah, man. About to be a race truck coming. Hey, they went around there. Yeah. Yeah, but back to what I was doing before we was interrupted by those guys. There's about to be a new race truck coming. I think he said 1,000 to the wheel. He'll be here shortly. Got the slicks. You heard the truck. Hey, look at Pop, square body in the game. And then look what we got out here too. We got that old Pontiac Bonneville. We then came over to the south side, been riding. Caesar's getting the MC ready too. Getting the MC ready. Getting them ready. I just realized we almost the same color. Color twins. Almost the same color. But yeah, man. Just up in paint right here, man. C's get a lot done, man. He said he putting a whole new top on there. He said he just gonna cut all that off and do it himself. Hey, man, he tubbing out that. Yeah, Caesar can get a lot done, man. Up in paint. Man. Got the little steering wheel. I wonder how. Man, how is it driving with the little steering wheel, man? The little bitty steering wheel, how is it like?
The little steering wheel?
It's
cool.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, you gotta work at it whenever you turn it, but I mean, you know, it's cool. You know, it ain't like whenever you got a normal wheel on there.
Say, hey, work on your forearms, huh? Yeah, say South Park drive.
It's all in the, it's all in the flick of the wrist.
Yeah, man, that sucker got the little bitty steering wheel in there, man. Straight
it's open.
Yeah, see that, man? That sucker is small, man. Like Pops be riding, boy. Sucker clean. Nothing like those old school cars, man. And just popped up on the homie, man. See what he had going today, man. And I pulled up, he was working. So up in paint, man. Getting this sucker right, man. He showed me some pictures of this truck before, man. You wouldn't even know the difference. Well, you wouldn't even know it's the same car.
Mm-hmm. I'll send it to you. That way you could put it in the video so they can see what it looks like. That's a crazy transformation.
Yeah, man. Getting it done. How long you been working on this?
This one I've been working on it steady since I want to say January.
Yep.
I had the full truck. I've had the full truck in January, but I started the frame. I started the frame in I want to say September of last year, and then I did the cab in October of last year. I just had the cab on that dolly, and then I split the cab up on its back. I put bed liner on the bottom of it, painted the firewall, painted the inside, and then we went back over there. We took it to his house. We put the cab on the frame, and then after we put the cab on the frame, I finally got it back over here in January. But we went ahead and put all the gas tanks on it, made it rollable to bring it over here.
Yeah.
And then I've had it since January, and here we are in August. So it's been about 8 months. Consistent work.
Consistent work.
Yeah, but it's been, it's been here and there because after it was here in the middle of the bodywork stage, we put the motor together. The motor was already set on the frame, but we started putting the motor together. I'll send you some pictures of that too. Yeah. And then, we put that serpentine belt system on there, got it to run, got it to fire up, and put the heads on, ended up putting the carburetor on, put all the accessories on, put the distributor on, put the belt system in, ran all the wires, extended the alternator wires because the alternator was going to be on that side, and it had to get extended.
Yeah, man.
It's been a little bit of a process, but
making it work, huh?
yeah, they all come together.
This is what you call a complete build.
A complete build from the frame up, taking everything off. I got pictures of that too. When it was just the frame, it was just the cab.
Yeah,
that's a complete build.
Man, he needs that fucking that Buick, dude.
Which one?
One in the backyard.
Eric's for real? Dude.
You want to be a bad dude. Especially if somebody doesn't care.
Yeah.
Today, somebody don't.
Oh, that he doesn't want to fix it? What light are you pulling off of your head?
So early morning with C's, Perez, man, and up in paint, man, just over here kind of chilling, looking at a couple of rides and little projects and chilling, man. So you already know what it is while you on here. Make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe.